One thing people sometimes need to wait on is the international short-term mission trip.
That's
because what I've seen so often, I've seen hundreds of people, they get excited about going on a short-term mission trip.
Yeah.
But when they get there, they have no idea what to do as far as evangelize and what have you, because they're not doing it in their daily life. And you see, Jesus said, you'll be my witnesses in Jerusalem. That's my starting place, Judea, Samaria, uttermost parts of the world. But we've got to start right where we're at. And we have to start now.
Yeah.
Today is the day of salvation. And every day people are dying and they're slipping into eternity without Jesus Christ. And there is a hell, regardless of what some theologians are telling you and some pastors, there is a hell. And people are slipping into hellfire forever.
Yeah.
And we are God's tool to reach people, to give them the opportunity.
Absolutely.
Please let us know you're watching, like our video, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to click the notifications bell. And that way you'll also help others to see our content. And don't forget to check out our website, ShareGodsHope.com, where you can learn all about our missions work worldwide. God bless you as you share God's hope.